Hi everybody, welcome back. This is part 3 of Saints Row 2. I had a little bit of a difficulty. I kept playing the game, but I actually lost that video feed, so I'm starting up from a little bit past from where y'all seen. Basically what has happened here is that we have our own place. And here it is. Actually, I may be wrong here, actually. I just assumed that was the case. Hold on. Actually, I was wrong. Never mind. Never mind. That's just the place that I have to begin with anyway. Alright, never mind. I was wrong. And I have no cars in my garage. Wow, that's just great. I don't own a single freaking car. Alright. Sorry, let me, do something real quick. Alright. So let's go steal a car. That's what I want to do. What's all that shooting going on for? Oh. Oh, hey, look. Look, that's part of Sons of Somni. Watch this shit. Dead. Broken neck. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna go kind of psycho. Oh. Aren't you Sons of Somni too? Oh, I don't think you were. I just think you were driving a green car. My bad. I have to do things to build up my reputation. Good man, when they push you around, do you feel better now as she falls to the ground? Well, I'll tell you, my friend, one day this world's gonna end. Rise around. Woo! Oh, she fell. She came out. Alright, good. I didn't want her in my car anyway. Alright. I don't really like nighttime here. It kind of sucks because I actually had to down my the contrast to my TV a bit so I could record this in a decent lighting so you can see what I'm doing. And it's making it really, really hard for me to see, though. But I am telling you this, and I'm officially saying it. By next month, I should have a brand new setup. I should have new cameras, some new lighting. And we're going to be doing a lot more than just playing games. We're going to be doing my sketch comedy. We're going to be having a blast. And, yep, that's going to be happening here soon. Alright, I'm going to do the hostage diversion. That'll help build up my stuff. Yes, I know how to do it. Basically, you have to be going a certain speed the whole time and avoid the cops. But I'm really good on a bike, so... Although, I really can't see. Oh, that's kind of cool, because on a bike, they go a lot quicker. It's not a fast hostage situation.
We just do this next week. I'll pay for my drugs now.
There we go, I collected the ransom. I gotta find something to do. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I got a mission that I'm gonna do. Here we go. This is actually one of my favorite missions to do. I'll show you when I get there. I'll let y'all see what I'm gonna be doing. Wheelie! Oh, wait, don't slow down, don't get off. I have plans for you, darling. Alright, here we go. Oh. Near miss. Which, by the way, a near miss. I don't know why they do that in Grand Theft Auto 2, and then they did in, not Need for Speed. Is it Need? Yeah, they did in Need for Speed Underground as well. They called it a near miss. A near miss is a hit. It means you actually hit something. If you nearly missed it, you hit it. It'd be that you nearly hit it. Just saying, that's something that's always bugged me. Oh, also keep tuned for I believe it's Sunday. It's either Saturday or Sunday that I'm gonna be doing an episode of Things you should know before going into an auto parts store. Oh, bitch. Where'd you go? Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Bitch. Come here. Come here. Come the fuck here. I don't need no witnesses. Hey, you trying to steal my car? Die. Alright, let's do this shit. Yeah! That's how a real man parks. Face first. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, here we go. I think my health will be all the way up when I start this mission. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it a second. Alright, so how are you guys doing tonight? I got a few playthroughs coming through. Tomorrow will actually be Red Dead Redemption. I'm going to be playing Red Dead Redemption tomorrow. I hope you guys are ready for that. I hope you guys enjoy it. I got it already in the making. I'm going to be playing it probably after I finish my playthrough with Saints Row here. And I'm going to have it posted up tomorrow. Tomorrow from when you guys are watching this video. So it should be on Friday.
God damn it.
What's up?
The doctors won't let me do MMA because I got a broken hand. I tore my ACL.
I think your doctor had the right idea.
Horse pussy, man. I could break any of those assholes that are fighting if I was cleared.
The fight's going on now.
Yeah.
Shit, I might as well take your spot.
Hey, you can't do that.
Yeah? Why don't you run and catch up?
Hey, fuck you, asshole.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Me versus two other guys.
3, 2, 1.
Alright. There we go. Oh, shit. Oh. Fuck you. Get him! Bam, bitch! Oh, should have saw that one coming. And keep moving forward. How much you can take? And keep moving forward. Sorry, I'm a huge Rocky fan. Ah, shit. Come on. Rocky would be ashamed at me right now. Ah, shit. My controller's dying.
Hey, you with the gun. You're an asshole.
One guy down. One guy left.
Pissing me off.
Come on, bitch. Come on. Oh, wait. Why are you running away? What? Like getting hit with the cinder block really hurts. Come on, whiner. There we go. Alright, so I gained up some experience. Now, I could probably go and do my mission right now, but I want to do a couple more of these. That way I can build up my reputation a little bit higher. So I don't have to constantly be searching on film for you guys. I don't want to be constantly searching in these videos for stuff to do. I want y'all to start seeing stuff I do. So, and this is a pretty entertaining
3,
one to do.
2, 1.
Bring it on, pussy.
Who are you calling a pussy? Come on. Come on. Ah. Come on.
Enjoying yourself down there? You wanna fight back or just lay it?
I'm gonna beat the living shit out of you. That's what the fuck I'm gonna do. Oh, damn.
What, is that it?
That's a new one for me. Damn, dude. Come on. Get up. Get the fuck up! Come on, we got this.
You know what's good for you.
Alright, we gotta get out of this situation. Come on, move away from him.
Stop trying to hit me.
Alright, here we go. Why does this thing keep moving? Thank you. There we go. You know, I've seen this in wrestling and stuff like that. What good, really, is a fucking trash can? It's a fucking trash can.
Come here, bitch. Son of a
Get the
bitch.
fuck away from me.
Call that thing? I'll show you pain.
Oh shit, they're not throwing any food out either.
Let's go, bitch. Yeah. You just hit the end of the road. Never make it as a theta. You're in deep shit now.
Is it gonna switch?
Holy shit.
There we go, broken neck. There we go, come on. Come on, come on, come on! Yeah! Woo! Don't fuck with me.
You better speak up, brother.
Cause I can't hear you! Fuck yeah, guys, fuck yeah. Made a little bit more money, gained a hell of a lot more respect. Alright, I'm gonna go do our mission. Oh shit, my bad. I did not mean to do this. I'll do one more.
1.
If I lose, I lose. I meant to do my mission.
Looks like this just ain't your day to shine. Welcome to town. I'm gonna break parts of you. I'm just getting warmed up.
I gotta get the fuck out of this situation right here.
Don't worry.
I gotta break them apart.
Your undertaker won't be able to cover up. That does it. Force me through this. Oh! Let's rumble. Pick up your teeth while you're down there.
I don't know where they're at. I didn't see my teeth. I don't want to get hit with a fucking tire.
Say you're sorry. Just give up.
Damn it. And I got hit with a fucking tire.
Get up.
God dog it. Get the fuck off me. Run! God.
I'm gonna snap your neck.
No, you're not.
Release.
I told you you're not.
You're about to disappear.
Come on, bitches. What? Who you think you were fucking with? I'm a saint. You can't fuck with me.
You're smart. You'll tap out now.
Dead. Broken neck, bitch. Let's go. I'm never good at the double one like this. I suck at this one. X I can do. Damn, maybe not.
You don't know what they'll do to me if I don't return this cash.
Are they gonna break your neck like that, bitch? Woo! Man, that was a hard one to do, guys. That was a hard one. Can you see why this is my favorite game? This is why I approve this one above Grand Theft Auto any day of the week. Grand Theft Auto, or Saints Row 3 is actually a really good one. Oh, okay, I got increased melee. I do more damage, up to 15% more damage now. Now I'm gonna leave this stuff. I gotta hit circle and then hit exit activity.
So, it's Gaz. Meet me at Aisha's place. We gotta figure out our next move.
Alright, time to figure out our next move. Y'all ready for this? How much time do I got left? All right, yeah, we got time to check out the next mission. I like this car.
Dropping the hammer.
It's just like a normal car. No, you can get out. Get out. I'm not doing a hostage thing. Get out. Get the fuck out of my car. Oh, yeah. Thank you. You could have closed the doors. That's where we're going. We're switching the stations, trying to find a good song.
Secrets of the pyramid.
Wait, hold on. Oh, okay, never mind. That car was over there. Oh shit! Anybody else see that train there? I sure as hell didn't. I was worried about the radio. Wow, I hate that there's no good music. There's no good writing music on here. So I'll do some writing music for you. Love's what I got. Don't start a riot. I feel it when the dance gets hot. 'Cause loving is what I got. I said, remember that. Loving is what I got. Well, I don't cry when my dog runs away. I don't get angry at the bills I have to pay. I don't get angry when my mom smokes pot. Hits the bottom, goes right to the rock. Fuck it, fight it, it's all the same. I knew Louis Dodge the only way to stay sane. Have loving, come back to me. Oh, wow, okay, here we go. Let's do the mission.
Come on in. You want a beer?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Johnny, who's that?
Yo, come to the living room and find out.
Johnny, I don't care if you just broke out of jail. You do not mess with my furniture. Oh my God, it's you.
Surprised, Aisha?
What? That you're here, or that you're talking?
Pick one.
We all thought you were dead.
I almost was.
Well, for someone who was blown to hell, you look great. Did you do something with your hair?
Yeah, I've been getting that a lot.
Yo, can we get back to business?
What's the rush?
I've been cooped up on death row and that bitch has been laid out in a coma.
We definitely need to remind motherfuckers who we are.
And that can't wait until after dinner?
No.
You two haven't changed at all.
Well, you know, there's a saying about dogs and blowing shit up.
Oh, I get.
We get a crew together. Once we got that, we can work on how we're taking back our city.
Sounds good.
And where were you planning on having this little meeting? No.
Well, this place is pretty spacious.
No.
The colour's very soothing.
No.
Come on, Ish.
This ain't no fucking gang clubhouse.
Change your plans.
We gotta find a new place.
Yeah, you got it.
Alright. Gotta take Gat to the abandoned something. I didn't read that.
Head over to the old mission house. We should be able to set up shop there.
Why don't we just set up shop at the church?
Alto has renovated it and turned it into a tourist trap.
You're kidding me.
I wish I was. We gotta find a new place, and the mission house will be perfect.
Religious buildings are kind of been there, done that.
And we're not staying in the mission. Now check it out. Years ago, an earthquake dropped part of the city below sea level, and rather than clearing out the rubble, the city just built over it. There's an abandoned hotel below the mission that'll work for us.
All right, what's the catch?
We gotta evict the current tenants.
Sounds like fun.
So I gotta go and bring Gat. I gotta go bring Gat to the mission house and actually check it out and evict the current tenants, whatever that means. It's been a while since I've played this game, so I don't know everything about it. I remember some things, but I don't really remember what it means by evicting the tenants, the current tenants. I don't remember who was living there. Oh, I might. I don't know. I have to look. I don't think it was another game. Sorry, guys. Alright. R-E-S-C. Alright, let's do it. Alright, now that way I know where the train is. I see the train. I'm gonna race the train. Train, I got you. Fuck you, train. I'm the badass here. Oh! Oh! Just to let you know, I hit that bike on purpose. And while doing that, I forgot that I missed where I'm supposed to be. Hold on, though. Before I take him to his spot, I gotta do this. Yeah, I already know what to do here. Gotta shake it up. Oh, wow, that was really outside lines. Like I said, it's actually really hard to see. There we go, I tagged a fucking tag. I forgot who lived. Oh, I remember now. Okay, I remember who lives down in here. Okay, I remember now. Nobody important to the story. Oh, never mind. It is. Oh, it's a Sandy. Wait, that ain't right. I didn't think it was a Sandy. Bitch, who the fuck do you think you are?
Looks like I still got it.
Man, it's really hard to see in the dark. Yeah, anytime you want to join in, yeah, there you go. Headshot, does it count if I was holding him? Do the headshots count if I was holding them? Look. I feel like this should be a valid headshot. Where am I getting shot from? Oh, look, there's another tag. I gotta do this really, really quick because apparently I'm dying. There we go. Alright, who's killing me?
I could
headshot. And headshot. Oh, I fell. Destroy the shanties. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, okay, this is the part I remember.
The asphalt will run red. I will crush. Prepare. Go! Ah! You're with Olive Dorm. The hell?
Sorry about that, dude.
You ain't taking what's out.
Sure I am. Maybe catch that.
Hey!
Another good soldier down. God might have mercy on you. The fury!
Look, Gat, we need a couple of them alive. So I can do that.
All my failures in hell!
All your failures and help.
Ah!
Sorry, Gat.
Don't give him a chance to regroup. Great.
There we go.
Police!
Alright, guys, you want to do this? Apparently you were not present for my MMA fight.
I am not a number. I am a free man. I'll speak. Let's take our city back.
They were apparently not there for my MMA fight, where I kicked complete ass.
Why don't you just take a phone?
There we go.
So, what'd you think?
It's kind of a shithole.
True that. But it's a shithole with potential.
I don't know, mate.
Oh, come on. A stripper pole, some flat screens, maybe some nicer furniture.
You have me at stripper pole.
Fucking A.
Alright. Homeless bums now more homeless. I now own Old Stillwater. So I own one out of the 45 sections of the city. Ah, yeah, that's nice. That's how pro I am. After I finish every mission, I'm just gonna set myself on fire. Just to prove that I'm awesome, because I can work even with my guy being on fire after every mission. Or, you know, actually, let's go with the fact that he was so good in that last mission that he was on fire. Let's do that. Yeah, that sounds better. Alright, I'm gonna do the Saints. I'm gonna do Saints missions.
You know, this ain't exactly what I had in mind for today.
No, we gotta clean this place out.
Yo, I'm not a fucking janitor.
No shit, you're a goddamn diva.
Come on, this is the kind of shit people who just got canonized should have to do.
Good idea. We'll just ask some of the crew for help. Hey, buddy, wanna help? No? Looks like we're doing this ourselves.
That's my point. We can't really run a gang if we don't have, you know, a fucking gang.
You said it yourself. Most of the old crew are either dead or busted by Troy. We're gonna have to start fresh.
Yeah, well, let's get on that, because I'm done mopping up blood.
This kid Carlos helped me bust out. Seems alright, but we're gonna need more. What you thinking?
Yo, I met some people in jail who might work. Let me make some calls. Once I find out where these bitches are, you're gonna have to show them that you're the real deal, though. They won't just follow anybody.
It won't be a problem.
Before you go, what sort of crew you looking for?
Okay, I don't understand why you asked that question. Because I don't get any choice in picking the crew.
What I wouldn't do for decent pint around here.
Alright, so I'm already 30 minutes in. And, yeah, we're going to end this one here. Sorry about this. Sorry that this one ran a little long. Just trying to get the storyline across to you guys. Well, if y'all like this video, please like it. If you guys want to subscribe to it, subscribe. If you want to leave a comment down below, leave it down below. I'd take any kind of feedback you want to give me. Y'all have a great night. Bye.